Things that can happen in nature of mosquitoes disappear completely. It can carry many diseases to humans. Malaria infects 247 million people worldwide each year and kills an average of 1 million. Mosquitoes spread diseases such as yellow fever, dengue fever, chikungunya virus, and West Nile virus, causing a huge health and financial burden. What if there were no mosquitoes? Nature has brought this question before scientists specializing in ecology, and a number of surprising answers have emerged. What are the consequences of destroying mosquitoes? There are about 3,500 named mosquito species. They live in almost every continent and habitat and have important function in numerous ecosystems. According to J. Evatt, Murphy, and insect scientists, mosquitoes have existed on our planet for more than 100 million years and have evolved along with many species. And wiping out a mosquito species can leave behind a predator without a predator or a plant without pollinator, so it can upset the balance. In a scenario where mosquitoes disappear, many species of insects, spiders, salamanders, lizards, and frogs will lose their primary food source. For example, in a published study, researchers observed how swallows spraying a substance that is a microbial mosquito control into an area in France. After spraying, birds that normally produce an average of 2 offspring per nest were found that increased this number to 3 in the study area. Many mosquito-fed birds, after the mosquitoes disappeared, turned to other insects in the name of maintaining their species. But on the other hand, some species that feed on insects may not miss mosquitoes at all. Bats, for example, usually feed on moths and only slightly less than 2% of their good content is made up of mosquitoes. Migration routes of other animals may vary. Mosquitoes take about 300 milliliters of blood a day from every animal in reindeer herd. Reindeer have been known to alter their race to escape mosquito flocks. In other words, if the migration routes change, negative consequences can occur where thousands of reindeer migrate, crash the soil, eat lichen, feed on wolves, and mostly change ecology. If mosquito larvae disappear completely, hundreds of fish species will have to change their feeding patterns to survive. Although this may seem simple, feeding behavior has an important place in fish. The mosquito fish, for example, is a specialized predator and is used as a pest control in rice paddies and swimming pools to kill mosquitoes. Extinction or loss for other fish can have very important effects on the food chain, may adversely affect plant growth, as larvae mosquitoes form important biomass in aquatic ecosystem, so they can be vital to aquatic ecosystems. The effects also depend on the body of water in question. Mosquito larvae are outnumbered on the east coast of North America. Mosquito species are found along with microorganisms such as insects, bacteria, and protozoa that live there. When other insects drown in water, mosquito larvae feed on waste products and produce a number of nutrients for plants, such as nitrogen. In this case, we can say that eliminating mosquitoes will have negative consequences in terms of plant growth. Without mosquitoes, thousands of plant species could lose their pollinators. The most striking of these is that the species Ceratopoganidae is a pollinator of tropical species such as the cacao plant. So the disappearance of this species could mean a world without chocolate. You can find the source I used in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.